What is up, guys? Short video, but I wanted to make sure this gets done. Our corn is ready. Hannah already opened this one up. That looks so good. This is our first time, so we're gonna be obviously really excited and very, very impressed with ourselves.
So when it starts drying out a little bit, I read on Google, corn is ready to harvest when it's brown on the top, and then you peel it back and you poke it a little bit, and if white stuff comes out, then your corn is ready. If it's clear, then it's not ready. So let's check it out. That one's good. There's another one.
I'm sure you Nebraska folks know how to do this real well. Okay, so this is how much we have so far. There's still more there, but we're gonna let them continue to grow. Some of them aren't ready to be harvested yet, but we'll bring you up, we'll peel these and show you the end result. It's time for corn, guys. What's up? So, it's late, but we gotta get this corn made. It's 12 o'clock, but we're gonna get this corn salsa made. We have a lot of corn here that we don't want to go bad. And Hannah noticed that it's gonna start drying out soon. So let's get it done. I'm getting these husked. This is the first time I wanted to tell you guys. This is the first time I've ever husked corn. I don't know why this one looks like this, but it's pretty cool. This is the first time I've done it. So don't judge. For all you guys that are corn huskers out there, do not judge. This is probably one of the coolest things I've done in my life, because I've never done it before, never had experience with it, but growing my own corn and then husking it and then actually doing something with it, cooking it, selling it, is pretty fun. I definitely enjoy this, and I would definitely recommend, if you have a little bit of acreage or even a backyard, you don't even need acreage, just a backyard, and you want to grow something and provide it to your family or provide it to some friends or provide it just in general, do it. This is not that bad at all. Our experience with growing our own food and selling and having our chickens and whatnot has been super, super fun. There's not been one downfall in it. At least for me. I know everybody's different, but at least for me, there has been no downfall. So get it done. Now back to the corn husking. All right, so this is what we have done. This is not all the corn, but I mean, look at this. We grew a lot of plants and we still have some out there that are finishing up. And this is what we're gonna use to make the salsa. Once you're done husking, you just throw them into the boiling water. Hannah, I will say she's busy right now, but she's the one who's looked up the recipes on how to do this, so shout out to her. It wasn't me. I'm just here for the labor part. But let's get it done. So it takes about 4 to 5 minutes to cook the corn, and then what we'll do is I think it's another 4 or 5 minutes to have them cool off. Sick shirt.
It being kind of late, Trey likes to do things late. We are probably just going to cut the corn off the cob tomorrow, maybe tonight, but we'll have to see how fast this cools off, and then we'll finish the salsa off tomorrow.
So if you're wondering what we do with all this, this is gonna go in the compost and go right back into the garden. And this is gonna be given to the chickens. Yes, I ate some because, oh my God, they are good. Add a little salt if you want. And I'm not a vet, but I gave them to my outside dogs, Rocky and Jinx, and they enjoyed them. Rari enjoyed them too, but I will warn you, inside the core is really sharp. So if your dog chews through things, they might get cut a little bit. Rari got cut a little bit, but she's fine. Rocky and Jinx are pretty tough, so I'm sure they can handle it. Okay.
Yikes. But we're gonna go to bed for the night, and tomorrow we will add.
Go to the bed?
I'm tired. But we will add our other vegetables from the garden tomorrow.
What are we adding, Hannah?
Jalapenos, chocolate peppers, probably some tomatoes, lime juice, things like that. So we will show you guys that tomorrow. Just pickled some jalapenos. All you do with that is you do equal parts vinegar and water, add a little bit of sugar, a whole clove of garlic, boil it for like 5 minutes, and then stick it in a jar.
So next we're gonna cut up some tomatoes and some banana peppers. Well, Hannah is, because I'm not doing it, she will. And we'll get some video of that. That is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. And that is all vegetables from our garden. We're done, right? Mm-hmm. We are done. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe. There's a little thing down here. Hit the subscribe button. Support. Show some love. Comment if there's different recipes you would try, or if you're gonna try something like this. Obviously, we're not gonna have the exact recipe, but watch the video, pay attention. So thanks again, guys. I appreciate it. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so good.